Your LearningLink course comes with a variety of assignable content and media resources that is expertly developed by Oxford University Press and the textbook authors using the most up-to-date pedagogy. While we make every effort to provide you with assignments that will be useful and beneficial to your students, we also understand that you may not need to use all of these resources and assignments provided in your course. The same process detailed here can be used for both assignments and for other resources in modules. In order to hide or remove an assignment in your LearningLink course, log in to oup.instructure.com. If you have only one course, you will enter straight into that course. Otherwise, select your Oxford LearningLink course from your homepage or from the courses list. Then click Assignments from the left-hand submenu and scroll down to the assignment you would like to hide or remove. If you aren't yet sure if you want to use an assignment, but you know you don't want students to have access to the assignment, click the Publish, Unpublish icon, white check mark in the green bubble, to the far right of the assignment name. Clicking this icon will unpublish the item, and the icon will change to a gray unpublished icon. When you see a gray unpublished icon next to your assignment, students no longer have access to that assignment. While you may want to make unpublished content available at a later time, you may also want to remove content from your course entirely. To do this, click Assignments in the submenu to the left, scroll to the specific assignment, and click the 3 horizontal gray dots to the far right of the assignment. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Delete from this drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the assignment. Click OK. The assignment has now been deleted from your course. Please note that you can publish or unpublish any assignments as many times as you would like, but you cannot recover deleted items. To hide or delete a non-assignment content from a module, follow the same process. Use the Publish, Unpublish icon to hide an item, or use the Remove command located under the 3 dots menu to the right of the resource name to delete it from your course completely. Please note that you can publish or unpublish any resource item as many times as you would like, but you cannot recover deleted items.